Okay, so for this video, we are going to be factoring some expressions. Alright, so we have a greatest common factor expression, a difference of two perfect squares expression, and an easy case expression. So for the greatest common factor expression, you find the greatest common factor in 12 and 28. The first number that comes to my mind would be 4. So we have 4 in parentheses. 12x squared divided by 4 is 3x squared. And then we're going to add the 28 divided by 4, which is 7. Alright, which would be your answer. Simple, right? And the difference of two perfect squares expression, you're just going to find the square root of each of the expressions. Sorry for the noise, my sister just got home, but anyhow. So, for the difference of two perfect squares, we're going to find the square root of 4x squared and 25. So, the square root of 4x squared is 2x. I'm going to go ahead and make our parentheses. Alright, so knowing that we have to have a positive times a negative to get to a negative, I'm going to go ahead and have a plus and minus symbol, and then we're going to find the square root of 25, which would be 5. So, and when you use the FOIL method, you get 4x squared minus 25. And so that would be your answer. Now for the easy case expression. For the easy case expression, we have to first find our a values and our b values and our c values. Our a value is 1, our b value is 15, our c value is 26. So we have a, b, c. And pretty much for the, then we're going to have to do the diamond method, which pretty much you just draw a big X on your paper. And you put a 26 on the top and which is your C value, and your B value on the bottom, which is 15. Alright, you can remember it by B for bottom. And now, so we got to find two numbers that multiply to equal 26 and add to equal 15. So, the 26 is divisible by 13 or 2. So, we have 13 and 2, and they add to be 15, so it works out. So we're going to have two sets of parentheses here. We're going to have an X as our first, and since they're both positive, we're going ahead and add our plus symbols. And so for the first one, it's going to be 13 in the parentheses after the X, and for the second one, we're going to have the number 2 as the second parentheses after X. Alright, and there's your answer for that problem, for the easy case. Alright, and so when you FOIL, you get that. And so it's pretty simple. But anyhow.